Those are just my frozen blueberries. To the top of that, I'm just adding some pineapple chunks. Now I'm just adding in some mini marshmallows. I know not everyone's a fan, but I love this style of dessert that we're making today. Alrighty, I'm gonna bring in my mixing bowl here. To this, I'm adding in 1, 2, 3 eggs, half a cup of oil here. Use whatever kind you like. Perfect. And I'm gonna add half a cup of water. I got a full cup in here, but pay no attention to that. Perfect. All right, I'm just using some vanilla cake mix. Oops, I think I was supposed to mix the wet ingredients before I put that in there. That was the whole point of putting the wet ingredients in first, but I am so excited. I missed a step, basically. Whoops. Well, that's okay. We'll just do a real good job mixing this all up. Y'all, this is such a fun one. It's kind of great for spring or summer. I've made this with other fruits before. I really loved the strawberry. That was my favorite, but I think with this blueberry and pineapple, it kind of can go tropical, or you could leave the pineapple out and just make it more of a spring treat. But I think you guys are really, really going to like this. Perfect. I am bringing back in my 13 by 9. We're gonna pour this over. Yum. But don't worry, that's just gonna spread all out in there, y'all. All right, let's see if we can't spread this out a bit more. Missed the front here a tiny bit. All right, we're gonna top this with just a little bit more blueberries here. Give these a little sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm using frozen. You can use fresh if you like. Just frozen's so convenient to have in the freezer. I wanted to use some more pineapple, but I'm using the tidbits just so they're a little bit smaller in this layer. Ooh, and I did drain these, but I feel like they're still a little juicy, so I'm just gonna use my hand to get these out of there so I don't just pour that juice straight on top of our cake mix. Beautiful. Now, y'all, I found some blueberry jello. All right, I've got the family size, but we only need about half of this. You could get away with a small box, so I am just holding the pouch so I can kind of better feel out what's inside of here and make sure we're not using too much. Now, I know the blue might seem weird to some people, but I like it. We're just gonna pour a little bit of water on top of our jello so it gets activated. When we put this into the oven, gorgeous.
Definitely didn't want to get any of the pineapple juice on the cake mix.
Oh, I wasn't even thinking about that, Marty. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350. We're gonna have it in there about 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. I had to cook my cake a little closer to about 45 minutes. Obviously, you can let this cool completely, put some frosting on top or some Cool Whip, but I cannot wait to get myself a slice of this, y'all. So I am going to dig right on in. And look, we thought it was gonna be like blue, but it's really not like blue on top. And the inside of it looks pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this with our blueberries, our pineapple, a little bit of blueberry jello, a little bit of delicious cake. Y'all, this is absolutely delicious. You gotta try this.